Okay, so let's go over the idea of a volume of a cone. And anytime we have a cone or a pyramid, for volume we get this common number here, which is a third. Well, sometimes they'll write it as divided by 3, but it's the same idea as multiplying by the fraction a third. And in order to find it, you take the area of the base and you multiply it by the height. And normally that gives you the volume of a prism. Say we don't include this thing here. That's the volume of any prism. You'd find the area of the base, even a cylinder. And then, whoops. And then it would go straight up and you'd multiply by how tall it is. But we multiply by a third because a pyramid shape kind of is losing 2/3 of its volume. It all kind of gets shaved off to build that pyramid. Okay? So that's why we get this formula here. We've got to take the information they've given us and figure out some of this stuff. Area of the base. Because this is a circle, the area of the base is the area of a circle. So I'm going to call this the area of a circle. Maybe I'll do it in different colors. Let's do green. Area of a circle. I'll put a little C there so we know circle, okay? Do you remember area of circle?
Pi r squared.
Yeah, pi r squared. So pi is a number. We don't have to figure that out. Squared is a operation we need to use. R is what we need to find, the radius. Do we know what the radius of this cone is?
Yes.
What is it?
5.
That's right. You divide this by 2 because that's the diameter and our radius is 5. Perfect. So we can find the area of the base really easily. I'm going to put that in green. The height. Do we know what the height is?
Yes.
What is it?
8.
Very simple. Good. You've already got that. So let's figure out the area of the base while we're waiting. AC equals pi 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25. And then we got to multiply it by pi. So we'll use a little calculator here to get an approximate value. Pi times 25 equals 78.5. We're going to round to. So approximately 78.5. And it's what? Meters, 2 meters, centimeters, it's meters. Okay. 78.5. So I've kind of plugged some values in, but I'm going to rewrite this so it's a little easier to look at. Volume is equal to 1/3, okay, times our 78.5, that was the area of the base, times our 8, which was the height, right? We'll go area of the circle, and this was the height. And for any volume of a pyramid, we have to multiply by this, okay? So really straightforward from here, we're just multiplying stuff. Where's my calculator? Oh, here we go. So I'm going to put bracket 1 divided by 3. And you can do this in your calculator. Your calculator will actually divide that value, so you can let it do that work for you, because otherwise you're going to have a very long decimal to write. Times 78.5 times 8 equals 209.3, let's say. So our volume, let's do it, is 209.3 what? What are our units?
Meters cubed.
That's right, it's cubed because it's 3-dimensional. And that's why we talk about the value of 3 there.